This video is on MetaMask, and for those people who do not know MetaMask, if you guys have used Trust Wallet, basically MetaMask is similar to that. MetaMask is like a Ethereum-based wallet where you guys can store your cryptocurrency. So that's the short description of it. If you guys want to know more about it, you can visit the official website to know more about it. So if you guys want to sign out of MetaMask on your mobile, in another one in your app version of MetaMask, it's very simple. Just delete your MetaMask and re-download it again. Basically, you will be logged out from MetaMask because once you delete and re-download it, it's going to ask you to log in into your account again, which means you're basically logged out from your account. Now for extension, it's a bit different. So follow the step which I'm going to be doing for extension. Basically, what you want to do is you want to go on the MetaMask extension. You want to click on extension button over here, and you want to click on this three dot right beside MetaMask over here. And you want to click on Resist Manage Extension. Now once you're over here, you want to turn it off. Once you turn it off, you want to turn it on again. Once you do that, basically you're going to be logged out from your MetaMask. So let me show you guys. I can just click on this extension over here, click on MetaMask, and wait for some time. It's going to ask me to log back to my account just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log out of MetaMask on your extension. And from mobile, as I told you, just delete the app, reinstall it again, you'll be logged out. So these are the way on how you guys can log out from your MetaMask. Hope you guys are able to understand the video.